Hello kids, how are you? I hope you all are well. This is Rajat Gupta. Today we are going to learn about Tux Paint. How can we work on Tux Paint? It is same as we are doing earlier painting software like MS Paint. So in the Tux Paint there are some more features that you can use. As a Tux Paint, it is an animation software also, and we can work more on Tux Paint. There are different types of tools, and the best thing in Tux Paint is that we can audible also. There are some interesting sounds also that is available in Tux Paint. So let's watch this video and learn step by step. I hope it will be helpful for you and you will gain more knowledge about it. Thank you.
Learn about Tux Paint children. So as earlier we have learned about paint, how can we draw pictures with the help of paint software. So Tux Paint is a free software. Tux Paint has a drawing mascot which help you to know more about it. A variety of tools help the children to create beautiful design. We can add personalized stamps to our drawing once we finish it. Funny sounds effects are also played when we select any tool in Tux Paint. So it's very interesting software. You can create your drawing with well definite manner. It is also award-winning software, free for children, with many interesting features. As you are looking on the screen, that's the Tux Paint icon. Now how to open Tux Paint? For opening Tux Paint, you have to select the Start All Programs, then Tux Paint window will open, but you have to choose full screen mode in Tux Paint software. So if it will start, this window will appear like a page from coloring book with a black and white outline of a picture and with different background colors. You can see this type of screen will appear. Now we will discuss about paint tool. It is used to paint and draw anything you like. It is similar to brush tool in MS Paint. You can observe here there are different brush shapes also. You can select it and you can make your drawing. If you want to make freehand drawings, then you can select also brush tool for making freehand drawing in Tux Paint. Like you are looking, a head is here for Tux Paint window that you can make your own also. Now there are sub toolbox. The sub toolbox is a unique feature of Tux Paint. For every tool in the Tux Paint we have many options of brush, shapes, special effects and sub toolbox. You can observe in the window. Now next one is a haze brush shape. It has hazy appearance. We can use it to draw objects that are far away. Like you are observing here, we are making a mountain in the scenery with the help of haze brush shape. In the same way, magic tool is here. The most special feature of Tux Paint is the magic tool. It gives amazing effect to drawing. Select the magic tool. The pointer will change to magic wand. Now apply some magical effect on your drawing. There is a bricks magic. It fills the bricks effect into the picture. Draw a hut using this tool and apply bricks effect in the hut. You can observe here this magic tool is making a bricks for hut, as you are observing in the picture. So this is a working of bricks magic tool. You can see here we are filling hut with the help of brick magic tool in Tux Paint. Now blur magic. This sub-tool blurs the area of the picture on which this effect is applied. You can see here we are creating a hand, and when we are applying the tool, the image is looking as blur. So this is the use of blur magic tool. Next one is a grass effect. Click on the magic tool and select grass effect from sub tool box. Now select green color from the color palette. Now draw some grass on the canvas. This is the working of grass effect in your paint program. Fill tool. Select the magic tool, select fill tool and choose the color from color palette. Bring the magic wand over the area where you want to color on it. You can see in the right side there are the magic tool. By clicking on magic tool you have to select a fill color. Now choose the color and you can fill the color with the help of magic wand tool. Next one is a flower tool. If you want to apply flowers in your scenery, so you can apply flower with the help of flower tool. Click the flower tool, select color from the palette. Now keep clicking on the canvas where you want to put flowers. You can observe your scenery like this. Next working is a stamp tool. Stamp tool, you have to click on stamp tool. By default there is a penguin stamp tool, that is main icon of your stamp in Tux Paint. Like you can see, with the help of its stamp tool you can choose any one stamp from sub tool box. Now click on the canvas and stamp will be placed.